Humans are highly visual beings, and we receive lots of information through our visual sensory inputs. Did you know that the visual design of your course materials, like your presentation slides, your handouts, and your course website, can have a tremendous influence on your students' attitudes towards your content? Hi, my name is Nina Kim, and I'm so excited to share my course with you, Engaging Students with Visual Design. I've been an instructional designer for 7 years in both large and small institutions. I've been a faculty member myself in the traditional and online classroom, and I've spoken at conferences on this very topic. I've always had a passion for art and graphic design, and I've realized how crucial it is that we integrate these two disciplines to create optimal learning experiences for our students. This course will teach you how and why visual design impacts student learning, and how you can leverage visual design to create the best learning experiences possible. In addition to that, I will lay out 7 easy-to-use principles that will have you creating great course graphics in no time. For example, I'll show you how to take presentation slides that are overloaded with textual information and transform them into content that your students will find easier to remember and more appealing, as well as how to take a course website that doesn't look very inviting and turn it into a welcoming and engaging online learning space. This course has 9 modules of content with videos, articles, text, and resources to help you learn more about visual design, as well as quizzes and activities to help you apply what you've learned. Now you might be thinking, Nina, I don't have any graphic design experience and I'm not so good with technology. If that's you, there is no need to worry. This course starts from ground zero and will only focus on using tools that are probably already familiar to you, like PowerPoint, or ones that are really easy to use, like Canva. I'll also be there to offer guidance and personal feedback every step of the way. Now, if you already have some design experience, I'm also going to divulge some tips and tricks and special tools that I use in my designs and my courses, so I think that you'll get something out of it too. I hope that you'll join me and our community of amazing instructors and begin your journey to great design.